Good morning, guys. We are off to Bomanhalli for a carpentry workshop. Come with us to learn some carpentry. The first session was an introductory round about what we're going to do, how we're going to do, what are the machines we're going to use, the safety measures, etc. Rohit and I decided to unleash our inner DIY enthusiasts and create some amazing pieces of furniture. I was a bit nervous at first, welding tools like saws and drills, but with guidance around me, I was hammering away in no time, slowly but steadily. It seemed a little complicated initially, but thankfully it was all well written and everything made sense when we started understanding the process and how to cut it and etc. So I decided to work on a shelf, whereas Rohit decided to work on a small table that can add up to like a mini coffee table. So he already had started working on his project, whereas mine was taking a bit of a time because we needed to saw a big ply, just like you can see right now. But we made sure we cut it ourselves as well with the help of our mentor here. Mind you, this is the very first time I'm using such tools. The last time I used tools was when I was doing my engineering and we had a mechanical lab. But other than that, I've never done this before. Although, since it's handmade, I wanted to leave it a little imperfect. So the edges are a little imperfect, but we understood that with the help of sanding, you could perfect it. And yeah, the workshop was an amazing experience, no doubt. And I'm super proud of my handmade shelf, which also doubles up as a wall hanging masterpiece. And here you can see Rohit completely concentrating on that tabletop, also the legs for the table. That's me trying to understand how to grind through that ply to make it into the shape of a triangle on the side. So I was figuring out how to do correct it before I spoil this ply. We were a group of 6 who were doing this workshop at that timeline. I'm not sure how many times in a week do they do this workshop, but they have plenty of options and team building activity or family based, so you can try. I'll link this place down below so that you can get in touch with them, understand how to participate in one of their upcoming workshop and have fun as much as I had. Our mentor was very patient and very calm with everything that we were working on, and with safety measure, very precautious attempts. And if I had a doubt, I would go back and keep asking him questions, and he would keep answering it very calmly and generously. When I entered the place, I wanted to do 3 different things. But when I started working on the shelf, is when I knew the time and the energy that was being consumed during this entire process of woodwork.
touch it where you want to start from. First try here. Let's see. You put here, don't put this. इससे करो.
इसको लूज में रखना है ना, तो रख सकते हैं ना, ऐसे रख सकते हैं ना.
हाँ ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं. You are lefty, right?
I'm a righty. Actually, yeah, I'm a knife face problem.
This is much easier.
Take it from there.
Anusha, there.
It's hard.
Yeah.
पहले try here straight. Yeah. Straight. चश्मा लगा लो. I'm taking breaks. Because you did not follow line. No? If you follow line, try. Try one more.
I had almost come to the end of this workshop. This is me trying to saw the edges of the hold on the ends of the shelf so that it's equal, and then we had to make a grout to those panels and then fix it like a DIY puzzle, exactly like a jigsaw puzzle. This is what I made. New shelf. Let's see what else I can add to this. Who knew carpentry could be so much fun? Nice. Manu? I'm super proud, like mentioned, and Rohit, on the other hand, crafted a fantastic table that's sturdy. The sense of accomplishment we felt when our projects were complete was incredible. The workshop was amazing, and we can't wait to show off our creations to friends and family. We went home to make tea and use this table like an inauguration.
This is how we are using the table for now.
Doesn't that table look adorable? Made by this boy. Then that's my shelf already being used. So my brother really wanted to do this workshop, and that's how we reached there for this workshop that you're watching right now. So, of late, I've been loving workshops, and I thought, why not? Because it's a new learning, and this year has been only about new learnings, workshops. We did a painting workshop, we did a dance workshop, did carpentry, and many more to come. Hopefully, so that's what it was. So we were a little late, but we started up pretty fast. The workshop was for about 4 hours, and the mentor does take you around, help you with all the cuttings, because you need to be hands on the tools. And as it will be your first time, if it is, then it's always better to have someone beside you helping you out with those tools. But it was pretty fun. I made a shelf, like you can see, and my brother made a tiny little table which can be used as a coffee table slash whatever planter holder. So it was fun. We enjoyed it, and the guy made it sound very easy, but I'm sure it's not, because he was also helping us with the tools. So maybe when the time comes when I have to do it by myself, then it might get a little scarier for me. And yeah, so these guys take a lot of workshops on a weekly basis. They have different categories. His name is Deepak. Deepak is the guy who taught us in Kydo Woodwork. So you can get in touch with him in case you're interested. So our weekend went amazingly well. Learned something new, and I can't stop showing off what we made. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do.